Now come the days of warm, bright sun, carefree, happy days. These are days to enjoy again, days to save in pictures. There'll be times like this in another year, but they won't be quite the same. These are the days of family loves, days to save in pictures.
Right.
Hi.
Oh.
Here he is. Shaking his head, walking away from me.
Because he's in pain, it looks like. How are you today, dude?
Wonderful.
Yeah?
I'm happy.
Happy? Relaxed? So are mom and dad. Oh look, dad's going to take a shit. Is it that time of the day?
I'm gonna get virtual crisp.
Burnt!
Is my back red?
It will be later, probably.
Won't be today.
Oh my God.
Make sure to have days like this with your family and your friends. Enjoy.
It's like he's staring at us like we have food or something.
Waiting for some food, we don't have any.
Alright, buddy. You try to take my sandal, I'm gonna come after you, bud. Nope. Okay, bye.
All I heard was X out of that. I heard X too. X. What do we think about The Incredibles too?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Fantastic.
Worth the money.
That was fantastic.
Did you like it, Dad?
I thought it was pretty good, yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good. That was worth
cute.
every penny. Every penny.
Pretty cute.
Oh my God.
What's
My...
You don't like my driving?
Stop bringing it on the train.
Oh, I'm gonna have to look. Oh,
What are you saying, Dad?
nothing, son.
We have to film now.